Hello everyone, my name is Johan. I am a Meta Ads freelancer and I'm recording this video as a review for the Blue app. So I've been using this project management tool since I think 3 to 4 years already, and it's just so good, and I did not regret changing from my previous tools to this one. So before I met this tool, I actually use a lot of CRMs before, technical CRMs that's not easy to understand, especially if you're working with a client. So clients really wants to have a simple yet powerful project management tools where you can collaborate easily. I've been using Asana, Notion before, but it's just not a friendly user as Blue. One of the things that I really like about Blue is how easy it is to create a project. So all you need to do is just to click these projects on the left hand side of your screen. And you can see right here, the plus button will appear. All you need to do is to click that, new project. And this is the best part. You can either create a blank project or use a template. So as you can see right here, there's a lot of template that you can choose from. For example, I will create a reading list and then use this one as a template. You put a name and then voila. It's just how easy to create a project. And the best part again is it has the how to use this template, and it actually recommended some books right here and some articles, so it will really help you how to organize, or will guide you how to organize your reading list. I also like the feature of having a wiki in all of your projects. So this one right here, just beside the records, you can put anything right here, any informations or research that you have done for such project. For example, in my case, I'm using it as my SOP, so putting all my SOPs right here. So the beauty about this wiki is you can tag someone. This is what I did right now, and then you can also put some GIFs right here to add some colors to the file on your research, so it will not look boring. You can also highlight anything here if you want. There's a highlight here tool, and if you want to see the outline of all the things that you have right here, especially if it's too long, all you need to do is just to click this option right here to enter full screen, and you can see the outline of your wiki. So easy, so smooth, while it's so interactive. So I really like this feature of Blue as well. One of the best feature for me as a Meta Ads advertiser is the form feature right here. So it's very easy for me as an advertiser to know my client because I have the ability to create a form inside Blue and send it to them. Alright, so I made a sample form right here titled clients info, and then it's just easy to create. If you want to have these fields, just click this plus button, add more fields. So for example, how much is your monthly recurring revenue, and then you can just add it here as one of the questionnaire. And then if you want to share this form, you can just click this one right here. They have different options. They can be sent to a QR code, a link, or you can embed it into your website. Alright, so if you want to open this link right here, so this is my form, as you can see. And then if a prospect, for example, Michael, so they can just easily fill out all these questionnaire. 10,000 monthly, e-commerce, 10 years, people who wants to get fit, gym equipment. And once a client submitted, the best part is they will be automatically recorded in my project as one of the records. See? And you can see right here all the questionnaires that I put in my form are already here. So that's the best, or one of the best features of Blue. Another awesome feature that Blue has is the ability to create chat right here. By having this, it's just so easy for your team to collaborate because you can create unlimited chats in any time. Say for example here, I'll be working for creatives. I can just create a creative chat and then tag my designers. Say for example, this is my designer, and then add some GIFs to add some colors on your conversation and attach files. You can do all of that using Blue. Another feature that I think only Blue has is the files feature. It's not just a file feature, it's giving you an unlimited space for any files in any of your projects without any limits. Again, without any limits. That's an unlimited space for all of your files. That's how generous Blue is. And that's what I really like about them. Also, one of the coolest feature of Blue is it has an automation right here. This robot logo or icon will help you create an automation. So I have an automation right here. So when a new record is created, assign it to someone. So it's easier for you now to delegate a thing or a task inside your project to someone using this automation. So for example, I have a new prospect or a new lead. Someone filled out the form, a new prospect, say Tom Cruise, 10K, entertainment, 20 years, young, shampoo. So if that client filled out the form, you can see right here that there's someone assigned already. Because of the automations that I've created, I was able to assign it directly to someone. In this case, this is just an example, so this is me. So it was automatically assigned to me. So see, that's how powerful Blue is. It will really help you streamline your work with less stress and with less effort. We also have the tag feature, so for you to easily filter all the records that you have inside your project. So for example, I want to create a prospect tag. So these are the prospects. By the way, you can automate this one as well. But yeah, I already have a prospect tag. So as you can see, when I click a prospect tag, there's no record showing. Alright, I'll just deselect that one. So if I'll put it inside a record and then click for prospects, you can see that it will filter all those records that has a tag as prospects. So that's one of the beautiful feature of Blue as well. So if you compare it with other project management tools, this is very affordable. So as you can see right here, for just $7 per user, you can have an unlimited projects already, all features, unlimited storage. This is what I mentioned earlier. Mobile and desktop apps, API access, and unlimited automations. Go now and get Blue before it gets expensive. All right. Thank you.